The past year has been hard on Americans. Even though we are seeing more vaccinations and case numbers drop, an Arroyo Grande family I spoke with wants to urge caution as their experience continues to be devastating. Not only have they lost loved ones, but now there are questions if the surviving family members can get the COVID vaccine before it's too late. Most people would like to forget 2020, but for David Cuellar and his wife Tara, they're hanging on to happy memories from last year when their family was complete. There was 66-year-old Raul Rudy Cuellar, a father, a family man, the friendly neighbor.
He was the best. He knew how to take care of all of us. You couldn't go anywhere with him because if he saw somebody he knew, he would stop and talk.
Margie Cuellar, the sister, a caring social worker and a dedicated mother.
Yeah,
her daughter was her
she
world.
was her world. Her and my dad would take my niece down to Disneyland at least 3 times a year.
And there was Raul Cuellar Jr., a brother, an award-winning barbecuer.
One day he asked me, he goes, "Hey, if I start a barbecue competition team," he's like, "Are you down?"
And Jack Nine was born.
Didn't even hesitate. I'm just like, "Yeah, let's do this."
Within a month, these 3 beloved family members who lived together died because of COVID-19.
It's been just mind-blowing how quickly, all 3 of them got sick.
They don't exactly know where Junior contracted the virus. Junior was diagnosed with COVID-19 before Christmas and was hospitalized 2 days later. Within a few days, David's sister Margie and his father Rudy also tested positive. They were both hospitalized on New Year's Day. All 3 passed away in January.
There's just no words. It's just completely blown everyone away.
The Arroyo Grande family, still reeling from their unimaginable loss, is now in a race against time to get the COVID vaccine. 38-year-old David has congestive heart failure, which makes him more likely to suffer from severe complications should he contract the virus.
David is my sole caretaker for me and the kids. Our lives would be devastated without him. I have an autoimmune disorder. I can't actually start my immunosuppressant medication until I get this vaccine.
California is expanding vaccine access to those with disabilities and high-risk health conditions starting March 15. Although nationwide, the supply remains very limited.
We intend to move forward for individuals with certain medical conditions and disabilities just as soon as we have enough vaccine to do that, of all ages, and that they would come ahead of the general population.
The Cuellars can only hope their prayers will be answered soon. In the meantime, while they're taking all the precautions needed, they have a request for you.
Wear your mask. Social distance, please. And when it wipes out half of your family, you're going to know.
Santa Barbara County also plans to vaccinate those with disabilities and health conditions in March when they become eligible.